Learning is 3 choices. Pick a model from inputs and weights to outputs, pick a loss that scores the error, then minimize the empirical risk over the weights. A neuron folds its input. The affine map is the hinge, and the activation decides how the page folds. ReLU keeps the crease sharp, and its slope is only ever 1 or 0. Picture the weights as coordinates and the loss as elevation. The gradient is the slope beneath your feet. Step downhill, weights minus the learning rate times the gradient. Flat valleys generalize. Backpropagation is a message passed backward through the graph. Each node gathers blame from every consumer, a sum over every downstream path, done as one vector-Jacobian product. Chain many saturating layers and the backward pulse shrinks, roughly a quarter to the depth, until it vanishes. The fix is initialization. Xavier for tanh, he for ReLU. A manifold is only locally flat. The tangent space is where calculus works. Rotations form a Lie group, and the exponential map turns an infinitesimal push into a real rotation. A good network commutes with symmetry. Rotate, then process, equals process, then rotate. On the plane, this forces a circular kernel. Lift to rigid motions, and the kernel roams free. Swap the operations. Plus becomes max, times becomes plus. A ReLU is just the max of x and 0, tropically affine, and a network folds space like origami. Depth multiplies the folds.